In this video, I will show you how to connect TikTok Shop with TikTok app. If you want to post shoppable videos or if you want to show your products in the TikTok page, and for that you have to connect TikTok Shop with TikTok app. So you can do that easily and you can post videos, shoppable videos on your TikTok without filming anything. So let's get started. So right now I am on my laptop screen, and here I will show you how to connect. I will click on my profile and then my account, and after that I will click on link account. Here I can do that. I will scroll down and use existing account. I will click here and link an existing business account. Click continue. So here is a tricky thing. Here I will open my TikTok app on my mobile phone that I want to connect. I will click on my profile, and after that there are three icons hamburger. I will click on that, and it will open new options like your QR code. I will click here and it will show my profile QR code. I don't want to do that. I want to scan this QR code. So I will click on scan QR code, top option on the right hand side. After that I will try to scan that QR code from my mobile phone. Once I scan my QR code from my mobile phone, it will show like this. So it is saying that I need to verify my identity, facial verification as well. So after that I will come to mobile app, then I will open my TikTok app and it will show identity verification on my. Here I need to put my details correct, my name and date of birth, and then it will ask me to verify my facial verification. For the verification, it will ask you to facial age estimate and ID card details. I will suggest you to do facial age verification. It will ask you to take picture and then click it, and then you can refresh the page and it will say to authorize that, and once you click authorize, it will connect your TikTok shop. Only the owner of the shop can do that. If you are a virtual assistant or working on the TikTok shop, then you can't do that. You can guide him so he can do that. Once you done that, you will be able to link your TikTok shop with TikTok, and now you can post your shoppable videos. And if you are facing an issue to connect that, you can email me. I will help you to do that. So thank you so much.